don't have nothing from which to come, you know. So you can't penetrate this. You can't grasp its nature. So do that. Okay? We got lots to do, so come on. It's not so hard. Just do it. Everybody does it. Okay, not everybody, but you know, lots of people. It's already true, you see? You know, I've said this how many times now? You're just becoming conscious of what's already true. It's already so. Right now, you are what you are. Right now, life is what life is. Another is what another is, etc. So you. Say, right now, you are what you are. Right? See, there you are. Just be conscious. Stop feeding off of your perceptions and your thinking, you know, etc. Just grasp you. See? No?
What do you mean stop feeding? Like, stop paying attention to that?
As if. See? Like, you know, stop trying to perceive you, and locate you, and feel you, and intuit you, and think you, and understand you, and all those other activities. You are you. See? Just become conscious of that. You're you right now. Don't put any qualifications on it. Just grasp you right now. See? Done. Done deal. You're just conscious of it. That's all. Just conscious. You just got to be conscious of it.
Just gonna keep contemplating on
No, don't keep contemplating. Get it. All right. Seems perfectly obvious. Stop thinking. Stop doing. You know, like when you're doing the effortless power, right? See? The hardest thing is stop doing shit, right? See? To let the passive be the case. You know, not getting in the way. You keep getting in the way. You keep trying to do something. Now, that's not it at all when it comes to enlightenment, but, you know, as an analogy, see? You keep trying to do something, you just become conscious, that's all. Almost there.
Thanks for watching. Taste Ralston's wisdom for yourself. Ralston didn't obtain his wisdom by watching videos. Join him in doing this work. Please check the links in the description.